Today I'm going to show you how to create surveys in Mailchimp. Now there are many survey software suites available, but if you are using Mailchimp, you want everything in the same place, and they do offer survey. So let's do this. On the top left, let's click on create. Come down over here, you'll see on the left it'll say surveys. Here we can go and click on get started. And from here you will now see all of your templates. So let's see what templates they have here. So we've got a post purchase that is a 1 to 10 scale, a post purchase with emojis, a post event 1 to 10 scale. All of these are already built for you. Okay, and it's a fantastic way to get started. So we're going to use the post purchase survey over here. Let's click on this and then click on create survey. Now, what you will see over here is a pre-built template. This means if this is your first time, you really want to use templates because you don't have to do all the manual, tedious work. Here you can see is our header. You can add in above this or below this, and then you see our first question. What would you like to ask? Here you want to ask a question. How satisfied are you with your purchase? You can select the range over here. So your section type can be range, open text, email, whatever the case may be. But for this, we're going to keep it at range, and then you can increase or decrease the values. Let's say we want it to be 1 to 5, and then you can change what it actually says here. So you can type in there really, really bad, and here you can type in here really, really good. You can, on the right hand side, make it a required field. You can add in auto tagging, and then you can go ahead and you can manage your tags. You can duplicate your question. So let's say you want to keep what it looks like and just make minor changes, duplicate it. You can see wherever you see a plus icon, you can add in a question, right? Once you're done, click on continue to design. You'll see now on the right hand side, you've got branding. So here you can add an image. You can also include that Mailchimp badge, which is by default turned on because of the plan that I'm on. It's the free plan. Then we've got the custom messaging. Here you can change the survey title, the submit button label. By the way, this is what it looks like on the left hand side. You can also change the confirmation message, the closed survey message, and over here it says required response error message. All right, so by default it'll say this is a required question. Now what if we close this and we go now into styles? Here we can choose our background color, our button color, and then the button text color. Right now it's just standard, but we're going to go into review. You'll come over here, you can see what it looks like. We've got immediate notifications. We can turn that on or off. A daily summary. Let's click on continue. We're going to our sharing options over here. Here we can choose how we actually distribute the survey. So we can share it via email. We can add it to an existing email or automation. We can share it via URL, Facebook, Twitter, and then we've got some survey settings which are really worth going through. And if you come down here, you will see all of your results. There we go. Once we are done here, we're going to just go back out and we'll be able to see all of our surveys in one place.